Hello friends, welcome to my channel Academic Made Easy Peasy. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it and also click the bell icon. In this video, we will be seeing 1 mark questions, that is very short answer types questions in this video for class 10 maths chapter 1 real numbers. We will be seeing 21 marks. So now we will be seeing for both standard as well as basic maths. So these questions what I will be giving in this video is from the 2020 board question papers. So from all the 5 sets of both standard as well as basic maths I will be giving you. Question 1. HCF of 144 and 198 is dash. Option A 9, option B 18, option C 6, option D 12. So for these types of questions you have to work it out and then see, but there are no step marks, so you can just do this in the rough column. So now we can use Euclid's division lemma. So now I will be taking my 198 as A and B as 144. So I will write A is equals to BQ plus R. So now we will be substituting here. So 198 is equal to 144 into my Q should be 1 only. So 1 plus 54. So I will get 198. So now I can just take this as A and this as B. So I will have 144 is equal to, next I have to take this as 54. No, so 54 I don't have a direct multiple, so I can just take 254 plus 36. So next I will be taking 54 is equal to 36 into 1 plus 18, and 36 is equal to 18 twice is 36. So 2 plus 0. So my reminder is 0. So I can just stop with this and I will be taking this number as my HCF. So my HCF is equal to 18. So where do I have 18 in this option? I have it in this option B. So option B is right. So please do remember the note for choose the best answer is many students will be writing only this option. You should not write only the option. You have to write option B along with the answer 18. Okay, so you should not only write B. You have to write the entire option. Question 2. 225 can be expressed as option A 5 into 3 square, option B 5 square into 3, option C 5 square into 3 square, option D 5 cube into 3. So now we have to just take prime factorization for this number. So 225. So let me take 5. So 5, 4, 5, 5, 9. 3, 3, 3, 1. So this is of the form 5 square into 3 square. So what is my correct option here? It is option C. So I will be writing the answer as option C, 5 square into 3 square. That's it. Question 3. 2.35 is option A an integer, option B a rational number, option C an irrational number, option D a natural number. So now we have to just check the given number is integer or rational number or irrational or natural number. So here it is of the form decimal. First it is decimal, then it is repeating number. It is non-terminating repeating number. So I will be just saying that rational number only can repeat. So I will say that option B is right. So how will you write the answer as? Answer as option B, rational number. That's it. Question 4. HCF of two numbers is 27 and their LCM is 126. If one of the number is 54, then the other number is option A 36, option B 35, option C 9, option D 81. So here we will be using the formula HCF of PQ into LCM of PQ is equal to product of P and Q. Yes, so here LCM HCF of these two numbers is given as 27 and the LCM is given as 162 and this one of the number, let it be P, so here it is 54. Okay, so now we have to find Q only, so we will be just simplifying it and finding the value of Q. So let me have my Q here. So Q is equal to 27 into 662 divided by 54. So if we just simplify, we will be getting the answer as 81. So here in option D only we have 81. So the correct option is option D. So you can write the answer as option D, 81. Remember, you should not write only D. If you write answer as D, it is wrong. This is right. Question 5. 2 root 3 is dash. Option A, an integer. Option C, an irrational number. Option B, a rational number. Option D, a whole number. So we have already learned that the product or addition or subtraction or division with any irrational number always results with a irrational number only. So here it is just like product of a rational number and irrational number. So rational into irrational gives us irrational number only. So the answer is option C, an irrational number. So how will you write the answer as? The answer as option C, an irrational number. That's it. In 6, the decimal expansion of 23 divided by 2 power 5 into 5 power 2 will terminate after how many places of decimal? Option A 2, option B 4, option C 5, option D 1. So to check the termination of the decimal place, we have to check the highest power of 2 and 5. So what is the highest power whether 2 or 5 has? So here 2 only has the highest power. So what is the power of 2? 5. So that power will be the answer for it. So option C is right. So my answer is option C, 5. Question 7. What is the largest number that divides 245 and 1029, leaving remainder 5 in each? So this is a hot question where you have to think little. So what is given? Two numbers are given, that is 245 and 1029, and leaving the remainder. Here it means we have to subtract 5 from each number. So here let me write the solution over here. 245 minus 5 is equal to 240. Okay, this is one number, and 1029 minus 5 gives me 1024. Okay, so now I have to find the largest number that divides, largest number, that is a maximum number which can divide both these numbers. I have to check. Okay, so here largest, this is the hint. Okay, largest means it is HCF. So we have to find the HCF for both these numbers. So let me have this as A and this as B. So now I will be taking my A as 1024 and B as 240. So A is equal to BQ plus R. Yes. So 1024 is equal to 240 into what I will get? 1024. I won't get it directly. So I will multiply with 4 and the remainder is 64. So now I will be taking 240 is equal to 64 into 3 plus 48. So now I will be taking these two. So 64 is equal to 48 into 1 plus 16. So 48 is equal to 16 thrice is 48. So this leaves a remainder 0. So my 16 is the HCF. So HCF of 1024 and 240 is 16. So option B is right and my answer will be option B 16. Again and again I'm writing the answer because I'm insisting that both also is necessary. You should not write only 16 or option B. Both also you have to write. Then only the full 1 mark will be given, if not 0 marks. Eighth one, the simplest form of 1095 divided by 1168 is option A 17 by 26, option B 25 by 26, option C 13 by 16, option D 15 by 16. So we have to make it in simple form. So how will you make? You just take a prime factorization and then do. So here the simplest form is 15 by 16. So my answer is option D 15 divided by 16. Question 9. Which of the following rational numbers are expressible as terminating decimal? Terminating means what? Stopping. So, for stopping, it should be of the form 2 power m into 5 power n in the denominator. Yes. So, for these denominators, we will be just checking for if it is having 2 power m into 5 power n, then we say that it is expressible as terminating decimal. So we have to take the prime factorization for 165. So 5 tables if we just take, it is 33. So 3 tables come. So this is the incorrect option. So next here 30. So 35, 6, so 2, 3 and I have 3. So this is also incorrect. So if I just go for the 625. So 5 tables, 525 times 5, 1. So here it is of the form 5 power 4 into 2 power 0. So this is of the form 2 power m into 5 power n. So option C is right. So now let's check for this also. So 462, let me take 2. So 231. So here it is odd. So this is also incorrect. So only option C is right. So my answer will be option C 2027 divided by 625. That's it. Question 10. Given that HCF of 156 and 78 is 78. LCM of 156 and 78 is dash. So now we have to find the LCM of 156 and 78 only. So option A 156, option B 78, option C 156 into 78, option D 156 into 2. So we know the formula HCF of P comma Q into LCM of P comma Q is equals to P into Q. Yes. So what is the HCF here? 78 into, let the LCM be X, and my P is 78 and my Q is 156. So here 76 and 78 and 78 is common, so I will cancel. So what is remaining? It is 156. So here my answer option A is right. So therefore answer is option A, 156. That's it. Now 11th question. 120 can be expressed as the product of its prime factors as dash. So option A, 5 into 8 into 3. Option B, 15 into 2 power 3. Option C, 10 into 2 square into 3. Option D, 5 into 2 cube into 3. So prime factors, only prime numbers should be taken. So if we check in option A, it is not a prime number, composite number is there, so option is wrong. Here 15, which is a composite number, this also is incorrect. So here again composite, so this also is wrong. Therefore option D is only right. So my answer is option D, 5 into 2 cube into 3. That's it. Question 12. The total number of factors of a prime number is dash. So a prime number has how many factors? A prime number means its factors will be the number itself and 1. So the number itself and 1, it means 2, right? So the prime factors will be, the total number of factors of the prime number is 2. So option C is correct. Question 13. The HCF and LCM of 12, 21, 15 respectively are. So we have to find the HCF and LCM. So now I will be doing it for 12, 21 and 15. So 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. So 3, 7, 7, 1, 3, 5, 5, 1. So now I will be writing the prime factors. So 12 is equal to 2 square into 3 into 1. Then for 21 is equal to 3 into 7 into 1. And 15 is equal to 3 into 5 into 1. So here for HCF, first for HCF I have to take the least number, that is with the least power, number with least power, which is common in all three numbers. So 2 is here. Is 2 here in any other number? No. So next I will be going for 3. So 3 is common in every number. So 3 power is 1 in every number. So I can just take my 3 alone out, and 5 is here, nothing else. And next I have only 1, so 3 into 1 is 3. So my HCF is 3. So I can just reject these two options. So in these two, any one only will be there. So it should be either A or C. So next let me check for LCM. So how will I check the LCM? I will be taking the highest power. Yes. So here 2 square is it, 2 square into 3. I took 3 once, so need not to take it again and again. So next it is 7 and 5. So 7 into 5. So I will have 4 3s are 12 into 35. So 12 into 35, it is 420. So my HCF is 3 and LCM is 420. So option C is right. So therefore my answer will be option C, 3, 420. That's it. 14. The sum of exponents of prime factors of the prime factorization of 196 is dash. Option A 3, option B 4, option C 5, option D 2. So we have to check the sum of exponents of the prime factors of this number, that is 196. So let me go with two tables. 2, 9, 8. 2, 4, 9. 7, 7, 7, 1. So the prime factors of 196 is 2 square into 7 square. So they have asked the sum of exponents. Exponents means powers. Sum of powers 2 plus 2, which is 4. So therefore option B is right. So I will write the answer as option B, 4. Question 15. Euclid's division lemma states that for two positive integers a and b, there exists unique integer q and r satisfying a is equal to bq plus r, and the condition option A 0 less than or less than b, option B 0 less than or less than equal to b, option C 0 less than equal to or less than b, option D 0 less than equal to or less than equal to b. So what is the condition they are asking? Okay, so we already know the condition 0 less than equal to or less than b. This is the condition for Euclid's division lemma. So option C is right. So our answer is option C, 0 less than or less than b. In 16, the HCF of 135 and 225 is dash. Option A 50, option B 75, option C 45, option D 5. So now we can use this Euclid's division lemma. So let me take 225 is equal to 135 into 1 plus 90. So next 135 is equal to 90 into 1 plus 45. So 90 is equal to 45 twice is 90. So this leaves a remainder 0. So my LCM HCF is 45. So option C is right. So therefore my final answer will be option C, 45. Question 17. The exponent of 2 in the prime factorization of 144 is dash. Option A 2, option B 4, option C 1, option D 6. So here in the previous question, one of the question we just saw how to find the sum of exponent of a given number, prime factorization. Yes, so here only the exponent of 2 we have to find. Okay, so we'll do prime factorization first. So 2 7 2 2 36 2 1 8 2 9 3 3 3 1. So here we have to check only the exponent of 2. So 144 is equal to 2 power 4 into 3 square. So here what is the exponent of 2? Here it is 4. So therefore option B is right. So what will be my final answer? Option B, 4. Question 18. 2 plus root 5 whole divided by 3 is dash number. So here option is not given. So it is a fill in the blanks question. So here it is a integer. 2 is an integer. Okay, so here it is irrational number and this is divided by an integer. Okay, so here addition, subtraction or multiplication with any irrational number is irrational only. So here the answer is irrational. That's it. Question 19. Given that HCF of 135 and 225 is equal to 45. Find the LCM of 135 and 225. So here we have to find the LCM and the two numbers is given and HCF is given. So we will be using the formula HCF of P and Q into LCM of P comma Q is equal to product of P and Q. So my HCF is 45. Let my LCM be X. is equal to 225 into 135. So x is equal to 225 into 135 divided by 45. So here 45 thrice is 135. So 225 into 3 gives us 675. So therefore the answer is LCM of 135 and 225 is equal to 675. So for these types of questions, you will have step marks. Even though it is a 1 mark question, you will have step marks. So for writing this formula and writing till here, you will get half a mark. Okay, so for this final answer you will have half a mark. So in this way the marks is splitted for these types of questions. Okay, for these types of sums the steps is needed only for choose the best answer. These steps are not needed. Question 20. After how many decimal places will the decimal representation of the rational number terminate? So this is the rational number that is given. So after how many places will it terminate, they are asking. We already saw one type of question, yes. So we will be seeing the highest power of 2 or 5. So if we just check the powers of 2 and 5, it is 2 over here and 7 over here. Which is greater? 7. So we will be taking the power of 5. So we will be just writing for these types of questions. The answer is very must. That is a statement which you write. Okay. So we will be just taking this value and saying that after 7 places. So now I'll just give you some questions which is related to what I taught. So you can just try these. If you have any doubts, you can just mention the doubts in the comment box as well as the answer which you get in the, you can post it in the comment box. So first question, I will just give you an idea how to do it. You can just try by your own. So first question, the LCM of two numbers is 182 and the HCF is 13. If one of the numbers is 26, find the other. So we will be using the formula HCF of P comma Q into LCM of P comma Q is equal to product of P and Q. So you can take the value of HCF here as 13 into 182 is equal to 13 into this Q, keep it as it is, and you can just simplify it and find it. So now question 2. If x is equal to 2 cube into 3 into 5 square and y is equal to 2 cube into 3 cube, then find the HCF of xy. So here instead of giving a number and asking you to do prime factorization and then do HCF, directly prime factorization is given. The number only is not given. Okay, so we will be just taking the numbers as x and y. Okay, let this be some numbers x and y. So for HCF we will be seeing the common number with least power. Yes, so 2 is here, 2 is here also. So what here we have to check the least power. So the least power over here it is 3. So my HCF will be 2 cube into my 3. So you have to take the least power of 3. So 3, only 3 into 3 power 1. So 2 cube into 3 gives you the HCF of these two numbers. That's it. Question 3. Identify root of 49 divided by 147 as rational or irrational number. So you will be taking the root of this and just finding whether it is rational or irrational. If it contains root, then it is called irrational. If it does not contain any root, then it is rational number. Question 4. Write the prime factors of 184 and 645. This is very easy question. You can just directly do with the prime factorization for these two numbers. You need not to find anything. Only prime factorization is needed. Question 5. If z square is equal to 29 by 9, then find whether the variable z represent rational number or irrational number. So you will be saying that z square is equal to 29 by 9. So you will find z. Yes, z only is asked now, so z is equal to root of 29 divided by 9. So you will be finding with this and simplifying it and saying that if it has root, it will be irrational number. If it does not have any root, then it is rational number. You can just try with this and comment in the comment box. If you have any doubts, you can just mention it in the comment box. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it and also click the bell icon.
Like, comment, share and subscribe.